Good morning children, how are you? Welcome back to my session. So in the previous sessions we are doing that lesson 4, the centipede song, right? So I know I started the story and you are all very curious to listen the story also. So today I am going to continue the story and finish it up. I know you are so curious. Let me recap whatever the story I told you in the last class. Okay children? So let's see. So what is the story? The ant and the grasshopper. So you see on the children see on the board. I tried my level best. Hope you like it. This is the grasshopper nicely taking rest on the log. See, on the log it is taking rest, sitting idle, doing nothing. And I have a little grass here. So I did this within like 2 minutes drawing so that I can show you how the grasshopper look like. Okay. So let me see. Let me recap whatever I told you in the last session. One summer afternoon. So summer afternoon. A grasshopper was hopping in the field. Field it is hopping. So he was singing merrily. Singing happily and enjoying the day, enjoying the summer afternoon. So on his way he met an ant. And what is doing? He was struggling to take a grain of corn to its nest. So what the ant is doing? It is carrying that grain of corn and taking to its nest. So the grasshopper was a lazy fellow. So we talked about in the last class, very lazy, nicely sitting, taking the support of a log and happily singing and enjoying the day. He thought he has nothing to do. So what lazy people will do? Always they think they have nothing to do. Simply having lunch and dinner on time and happily enjoy the day. When he saw the ant, the grasshopper, what he did? Saw the ant and said, "Why don't you come and chat with me? You are troubling. Why you are working hard? Why? Take a rest for some time. Have a chit chat with me." So instead of toiling so hard, why are you working so hard? Come, sit here and chit chat. We'll have a great time. We'll enjoy. Come. We'll crack some jokes. We'll enjoy, we'll laugh. Why are you working so hard all the time? Why are you carrying these grains all the time? So that's what the grasshopper is asking ant. What the ant is saying? I am trying to collect and store food for the winter. So what is trying? He's trying to collect the corn from the corn field. Actually, wherever that grasshopper is taking rest, where it is taking rest? In the corn field itself. So grain it is carrying one grain each time, putting in the nest and coming back and taking one grain, putting in the nest and come back. So that's what it does that. And what it is doing? It is trying to collect and store food for the winter. I can't waste time. I don't want to waste my time because winter is coming up. I want to store enough food for the winter. I can't waste time sitting idle. I think you should start saving food for the winter too. Instead of sitting and idle, wasting your time, you also do store so that you can take rest in winter. You don't have to go out because it is so cold. It's going to snow, said the ant. As usual, grasshopper, very lazy. The grasshopper yawned. Okay, forget it. See, laziness. And said, winter is too far away. Oh, it is very far. It is still 2 more months are there. Don't worry. We'll manage. There is plenty of time. Why are you struggling now? Only there is a plenty of time. 2 months are there, right? Why worry about it today? Still we have enough time. Why you are worrying then? We will work hard then. Meanwhile you take rest. Don't work hard. Sit, chit chat with me and we'll have some fun time. Yes? Don't worry about it today. When I have more than enough to eat, I already have more than enough to eat in my life, I'll take rest. I don't want to work hard all the time, simply, you see, I just want to sit and enjoy the day. It's summer afternoon, under the shade of a tree, taking the support of a log. What else do you need? Yes? But the ant went on his way and continued to work hard. The ant never stopped. See the hard work of the ant, children. Ant never sit idle. It maintains that discipline. See, children, you have to observe the ants. They will go in a lines. One by one behind the other it goes in a line. What it will do, it will collect some grains from the fields and store in the ant hills. You know the ant hills? You all observe where the ants will live. It will store food. Even, not only it eats corn, it eats rice. Any grain, it picks some grains from the fields, and if it eats one grain in a day, that's more than enough for them. For the rest of the winter, if he stores some pile of grains, rest of the winter it doesn't have to work hard, sit idly at home. But the ant went on his way and continued to work hard. Days passed. Then months over. Now the 2 months is over. The grasshopper enjoyed himself, and an ant collected enough food for the winter. So meanwhile, the grasshopper not doing any work, sitting idle, didn't collect any grains, nothing, enough food for the winter. So time passed, days, months also passed. So winter is nearby. So ant, it worked hard, it collected the grains and kept in its nest. When the winter came, the leaves had fallen and the grass was dry. So when winter comes, there will be no sunlight, enough sunlight. What happens? The leaves will fall and the grass was dry because of the, it doesn't even, grass, plants or whatever the trees, they need sunlight, right? So without any sunlight, what happens in winter? The leaves will fall, the grass will become dry. Yes, children? So the grasshopper had nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. What it will eat? It started to snow. Can you go out when it is snowing? See, we are here, we don't have snow. But in some places, in the cold regions, they have snow. They cannot go out all the time. Yes? Lot of snow. It is very cold. Can you go out in the temperature? The minus temperature? It will be. See? So the grasshopper has nothing to eat. It started to snow and he had nowhere to go. When it is snowing heavily, and it's some places, some countries, even in Delhi, it snows sometimes. So you watched in the movies how the snow will be, especially what is that movie recently? Bahubali. Movie, I think you have saw snow, how much snow in winter it will be. So when it is snowing heavily, anyone can go out and work hard and for their food? No one. See, the grasshopper has nothing to eat. It started to snow and he had nowhere to go. He thought he would die of hunger and cold. So it is very cold, snowing heavily, and he will die of hunger. See, if you don't eat enough food for months, what he thought, if I don't eat anything for months, winter will be for 3 or 4 months. If I don't eat, I will die due to hunger. Without food, I am going to die. And because of this cold. The cold is so much that I cannot go out and bring some food for me. On the other hand, the ant was enjoying the fruits of his hard work. Children, you have to work hard. See, your parents are sending to school, paying fees, and with the books, bags, uniforms. If you work hard, what happens? You will learn, and in the future when you grow up, you will get a good job. All the hard work what we have learned, it will help you to live in this world. All the learn. See, we are learning something. I am learning something. I am teaching you. My learning is going away? No, it is with me only. It will help you to. It will help me to do whatever the knowledge I have. I got the job as a teacher in the school. It will help me in the future. Help me to live in this world. So hard work always gives you fruit. Okay? And he had a nice and cozy home and plenty to eat. So winter, nice cozy home, cozy nicely. So the ant is not feeling any cold at all. Nice cozy means warmness. Whenever it is cold, you children, you feel like wrap up with a blanket and feel cozy, right? Feel comfortable in that blanket, right? So even ant is enjoying that. Okay? Then the grasshopper regretted not working hard when he should. So that is the time in summer he has to work hard, have the food and store. But it didn't utilize the time. And what happened? When it want food in winter, he didn't have any food. He regretted. He felt very bad for not doing homework, hard work. See, even an example, if I take you, this is the time of learning. This is the age of learning. If you don't learn anything now, in future, you will regret that. Your mommy has sent me to school. I didn't learn anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm not helping anyone. See how I'm going to live. So you will regret this. So this student life is very important. All you have to do is just go to school, learn, play. This is the playing age. Even teachers, mummies will play now at this age? No, right? So this is the age where you learn, you play, and have fun also. There is nothing wrong. You are playing outside. You are having fun with your friends, right? But when it is a time to studies and learn new things, you have to. So once you finish your school, you go back, you change your clothes, have a snack, play a little while for 1 hour, and you come back and you finish your homework, right? You had a snack? Nice, you had food. You played for 1 hour with your friends. You are playing, right? And once you are done, when it comes to homework and studies, you have to concentrate, listen, write, all you have to learn, and do your work on time. Because these days when you grow up, then if you regret that time, the childhood won't come back to you. Whenever it is a time, you have to utilize it. Like that's what the grasshopper has the time in summer so that it can store the food for the winter. But what happened? Because of the laziness, enjoying the day, not doing any hard work. But now see, because of the hard work of the ant, it's already stored the food. So what happened in winter? Nicely enjoying in a cozy home, eating every day. It doesn't have to work hard since he cannot go outside. See, that is the planning the ant have. That is the discipline that the ant have. So whenever if it is a time to learn it, you have to do it. It is now. You should feel now it is the time. You have to plan yourself. I will do, mummy, I will do later, I will learn later, that later. You will also become lazy, like grasshopper only. And you will regret later. So children, don't trouble your parents. See the fruits of their hard work. When they will have fruits, when you grow up, have a good education, get a good job, good life, those are the fruits for your parents. That is the fruits of their hard work they are getting it. Who has to give the fruits? You have to give the fruits to them. Okay children, hope you like this story and hope you enjoyed it. It's a very good moral in it is hard work always give you fruits. Understood children? Hope you got it. So this is the end of the lesson children. Hope I covered all the topics. Still worksheet is there, so which I am going to explain you in the next session. Meanwhile, I know you all heard this story, so meanwhile think about it, this story, and what the activity homework I am giving you is think about story and write this story in your own words. In your own words. 3 sentences or 5 sentences would be fine. Okay? So write story in your own words. Try to do it. Hope you understood. So see, we have taken 2 sessions to make you understand this story. So think about it and write a few lines. I know you are in 3rd grade, you can't write a big story, but try to make it a short story out of it. Whatever you think it is. Okay? Thank you, children. Hope you enjoy your session. So see you in the next session. Thank you.